Hello, I'm Simon Hart, Lead International Partner at RSM UK. We hear so much about the uncertainty facing business, obviously through coronavirus, but because of other global and geopolitical issues, Brexit, and the impact of trade deals and the trade negotiations on the UK economy, particularly with those trade deals with the EU and the US. But I'm interested in the impact on the real economy of the UK, the middle market. And that's why I'm here today at Southampton to assess the impact for real. Overall, the port is the UK's fifth largest, handling over 33 million metric tonnes of sea freight in 2019, and it supports an ecosystem of over 15,000 jobs in the area and contributes over £1.6 billion to the economy. What happens here is a good barometer for the internationally active middle market economy of the UK. Let's assess how global uncertainty might have impacted aspects of the port. On the cruise and leisure front, 1.7 million passengers per year use this facility. The leisure and tourism sector has been dramatically impacted by the global pandemic and lockdown. How quickly and in what manner the cruise industry bounces back will be a good guide on consumer confidence and spending. Looking at the container handling LOLO, lift on, lift off side, this dock is the UK's largest container terminal, handling more than 1.5 million TEUs, that's 20-foot equivalent units, each year. In a recent interview with Bloomberg, the CEO of Maersk, the biggest shipping container carrier, expected a year-on-year volume drop of about 15%, mainly due to middle market businesses caught out by one supplier disruptions during lockdown, rather than issues with the shipping line itself. This port also handles around 820,000 vehicles a year, including heavy-wheeled vehicles for deep sea and short sea roll-on, roll-off shipping lines. Lockdown restrictions will have affected driver mobility, therefore volumes. There's also a dry bulk capacity here, such as minerals, aggregates, animal feeds and fertilizers, plus imports of wheat and exports of grain, and these were probably less affected by coronavirus. Alternatively, the liquid bulk, mainly crude oil, may well have seen reductions in activity due to lower demand for aviation fuel, as just one example. So I had assessed the uncertainty impact as being twofold. It's supply chain shocks and demand reductions. The supply chain shock, well, that's more a result of over-reliance on single-source supplies and just-in-time systems rather than any effect to the cargo sector. And post this crisis, you'd expect to see a greater expansion of multi-channel supplier sources, more nearshoring of suppliers and more onshoring of supply lanes, as well as increased inventory holding. Demand reductions as a result of consumer confidence spending issues, well, how quickly and how sustainably consumer confidence rebuilds will also dictate how busy global arteries, like the one behind me, get.